Welcome to Module 1 of our Root Cause Analysis course. In this module, you'll discover what RCA really is, why it matters, and how it can help organizations prevent recurring problems by identifying their true origins. Let's dive in.
RCA is known as a systematic approach to identifying the underlying causes of problems. Root cause analysis should help to prevent the recurrence of failures, improve reliability, increase safety, and reduce costs. Now let's ask an important question. What is the difference between symptoms and root causes? In root cause analysis, it's essential to understand the difference between symptoms and root causes because solving the wrong problem wastes time and resources. Symptoms are the visible effects or signs that something is wrong. They are what you see, hear, or feel when a problem occurs. They do not explain why the problem is happening. They just tell you that it's happening. Examples of symptoms: a machine is vibrating, a product has defects, there is a delay in delivery, an alarm keeps going off. On the other hand, root causes are the underlying reasons why symptoms occur. They are often hidden, requiring investigation to uncover. Addressing the root cause prevents the problem from happening again. Examples of root causes: the machine is vibrating because of worn-out bearings. The product is defective due to improper temperature settings during production. The delivery is delayed because of poor planning or lack of spare parts. The alarm goes off because of a sensor calibration issue. We can apply RCA in common scenarios such as production issues, safety incidents, quality failures, and service breakdowns. Moreover, any RCA process should contain the following steps. 1. Define the problem. 2. Gather data. 3. Identify possible causes. 4. Determine root cause. Implement corrective actions. 6. Monitor effectiveness. Now I encourage you to take a few moments to review the key takeaways. Focus on causes. Follow a systematic approach, involve the right people, and finally, measure your success.
You've just taken the first step in mastering RCA. You now understand the power behind identifying the root of problems, not just patching the surface. Up next, we'll explore the powerful tools that make RCA successful.